Unlocking the hero within. Come to the rescue, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, come to the rescue. Have you ever wondered what it means and how you can use it in your conversations? Well, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this journey together to explore and understand this phrase's significance and usage. Stay tuned. Come to the rescue is a phrase that paints a vivid picture. Imagine someone in trouble. Maybe they're struggling with a difficult task or facing a challenging situation. And then, someone else steps in to help them out. That person who helps is said to come to the rescue. It's not just about saving someone in a literal sense, like a superhero in movies, but it can also be used metaphorically to describe any act of providing necessary assistance or aid in times of need. To bring this phrase closer to home, let's look at some examples of how it can be used in our everyday lives. In personal situations, imagine your friend is having a tough time moving to a new apartment. You show up with a few other friends to help. You've come to their rescue by making the moving process smoother and less stressful. In professional contexts, maybe a colleague is struggling to meet a tight deadline. You step in, offer your help, or take on some of their workload. By doing so, you come to their rescue, helping them meet the deadline and reducing their stress. In public scenarios, picture someone at a grocery store realizing they forgot their wallet. If you offer to pay for their groceries, in that moment, you've come to their rescue, saving them from embarrassment and inconvenience. Using come to the rescue in sentences is pretty straightforward. It's a versatile phrase that fits well in both formal and informal contexts. Here are a few tips. Be mindful of the context. The phrase can be used literally or metaphorically, so tailor it to fit the situation accurately. Combine with descriptive details. Enhance your sentence by adding details about how someone came to the rescue. This gives your listeners or readers a clearer picture of the act of kindness or assistance. And there you have it, folks. Understanding and using the phrase, come to the rescue, is a great way to enrich your English vocabulary and express acts of kindness and assistance in a vivid and impactful way. We hope this video has come to your rescue in understanding this phrase better. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.